Shalom Israel, Most High in Christ bless. I'm Officer Baruch with IUIC Orlando. Today we're going to go over meal prepping. What is meal prepping and what are the benefits of meal prepping? Okay, we hear it all the time, but basically meal prepping, it helps you prepare ahead of time the foods that you're going to take throughout the week. A lot of people, or a lot of us, we think that because we're so busy, we may not have time to eat. So it leads us to eating fast foods, it leads us to not eating at all, or it leads us to snacking on things that we really shouldn't consume that's not conducive to having a healthier lifestyle. So that's what we're going to focus on. The food for today that we're going to focus on that I love is salmon, rice, and green beans. Okay. All right, so now we're going to go into the seasonings. You can use any seasoning you want to, but what I like to use is crushed red peppers. I'm going to use pink Himalayan sea salt, and I'm also going to use black pepper. Now, I know what you may be thinking. Oh, the sodium, the salt. But in all actuality, with pink Himalayan sea salt, it has a variety of benefits, such as Himalayan sea salt. It contains over 80 minerals and elements from the earth, helps balance electrolytes, boosts brain health, boosts energy, aids vascular health, and blood circulation. Also with the black pepper, we have it improves digestion, it also aids in weight loss, and it promotes healthy skin. All right, so adding these to your diet is definitely a benefit. Now that we have the seasoning set aside, we're gonna go ahead and set the food up and get it ready. We're gonna start the oven, put it on medium heat, or on some ovens it's between 4 to 6. We're also gonna add oil. I like to use the olive oil. Some people use sunflower oil. Next, after that, we're gonna add minced garlic and let it simmer until you get a savory fragrance in the air. All right. Then, meanwhile, the seasonings that we put to the side, we're gonna go ahead and create a mix with that, with the crushed red peppers, with the pink Himalayan sea salt, and with the black pepper. We're gonna put it all together to add to the fish. Then we're gonna season the pre-cut fish. It's gonna be about 4 ounces to 6 ounces, or you could buy it fresh and cut it yourself, whichever you wanna do. After that, we're going to low heat the fish, and we're gonna put it on the stove for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we're going to turn the seasoned side down. That's where the skin is, so we can make sure it's nice and crispy. And once we get it to a crispy, not crunchy, but nice and crispy, we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna cook the other side all the way through. Now, the important thing about meal prepping is you wanna take a good hour to 2 hours and 1 day or 2 days dedicated for preparing your meals. So if you're going to cook for 3 days at a time, try a Sunday and cook for the Monday, the Tuesday, and the Wednesday. Then if you're able to, on Wednesday, cook for the remaining Thursday and Friday, and that way you're able to prep appropriately for the week. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add it to the oil and to the minced garlic. So we're gonna add oil to a pan. Then we're gonna add minced garlic to the oil. We're gonna add the green beans. Then we're gonna add a little bit of sea salt and a little bit of black pepper. We're gonna let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Not too much, not too light. All right, so now we're gonna prepare the rice. So now we're going to cook the rice either in a pot or in a rice cooker. We're going to, if you do it in a pot, you're gonna add the water, let it boil, add the rice until it starts to boil, turn it off, and put the top on it and let it sit until there comes a nice texture to your liking, okay? So thank you for meal prepping with me today. You can use these meals for either lunch, you can use it for dinner, but don't forget them. As you're on your go, grab it, take it with you, warm it up later. Thank you for meal prepping with me. I'm Officer Baruch of IUIC Orlando. And remember, whatever you do, stay healthy and stay in the spirit. Shalom.
We used to scream black power while heroin was pushed. But at the end of the day, nothing's in vain. IUIC has been given a vision. The tents of Judah has risen. Many has attempted the mission, minor murmuring, omitting, and missing the mark. Just reading that he had the flame of fire in his eyes gave us the spark. We on Paul's mission. We out on the road, purple and gold, from Mexico, Cuba, Haiti, Ghana, Sierra Leone. 144,000 boots banging, concrete crackling. These are how men repented at heart. The scriptures is proof. IUIC, we deliver the truth.